If the BJP president fails to get Advani on board right now, sources also say that the party has a plan B in place. And instead of convening a parliamentary board meet, then the party president Rajnath Singh will be speaking to each board member separately and making a direct announcement. So in fact, this is how the BJP parliamentary board is stacking up at present. Lal Krishna Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi and Sushma Swaraj. In fact, those three voices on your television screen are against the announcement, while on the other hand, Arun Jaitley, Rajnath Singh and Ramlal Thawar Chand Gehlot in fact are in favour.
We've seen in the month of June when Narendra Modi was anointed as the campaign committee chief, the resignation episode that had come about. We knew that LK Advani was not okay with the decision that the party chief was taking, but even then the call of the cadre and the need of the hour, the party took the decision. Rajnath Singh announced him as the campaign committee chief. And it seems that similar episodes are now playing about, with LK Advani continuing to be and maintain his stand that he does not want Modi to be named as a prime ministerial chief before prime ministerial candidate before the state assembly polls. Now the window is very less, because remember, as we have been reporting on our channel, that before the 19th, knowing that Rajnath Singh follows the Hindu calendar very, very clearly, the auspicious time of announcing the prime ministerial candidate is also running out. So it seems that before 19th is the time that Rajnath Singh has, and also given the fact that RSS has given a very, very hard signal, and a very clear signal for that matter, that it is time now to pronounce the prime ministerial candidate, given the fact that state assembly polls are around the corner, and also the fight for 2014 is now only getting nearer. So it seems that in the next 48 hours a final call will be made. The meeting very crucial between Rajnath Singh and LK Advani at his residence. As we have been saying, it's a last ditch effort from Rajnath Singh to get LK Advani on board. Whether that happens or not remains to be seen, and as you've been saying, plan B is something that of course is in the minds of the top leadership of the party, and Rajnath Singh will have to now take a call after the meeting with LK Advani.
So Tableen, they're in fact telling us about the plan B of the BJP, and even as the BJP is gearing up for this big announcement, the opposition is hitting out at Narendra Modi.
नरेंद्र मोदी को प्रधानमंत्री पद की घोषणा करने जा रहे हैं बीजेपी वाले, और ये कह रहे हैं कि बड़े स्तर पर घोषणा करेंगे 13 तारीख को। आपको क्या लगता है कि उनके आने से क्या माहौल?
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री की घोषणा कोई भी कर सकता है, कोई भी छोटी बड़ी पार्टी कर सकता है। कल रामू, शामू, दामू कोई भी कर सकते हैं, उसमें कोई बात नहीं है, कोई भी कर सकता है, उनके पार्टी का वो सवाल है। लेकिन हमारा नेता तो राहुल गांधी है, वो तो हमने बोल दिया है पहले ही। धन्यवाद।